How was the game overall? 2-1 at home and away, 2-0 now.
Well, it was a game plan. You have to go there and execute the coach, what the coach said.
In terms of all of the matches you played so far, this is the toughest of them all?
No, the first leg with them.
We're the team, you feel the team have the goods now to carry home this year's Schoolboy?
Most definitely.
What for you after the Schoolboy? What for you after the season?
Well, that's on my coach. You know, you have to talk to my coach.
Any more Schoolboy football season under your belt?
That's
Romarion, what's your assessment of your performance today?
Well, it was great. You can do better than that. So you have to come again the next game.
You think that based off the quality of the opponent made the game a bit more difficult for you guys?
Yeah, most definitely.
Not a lot of football playing, a lot of direct football. Was that the instruction from the coach?
Yeah.
Playing a bit more direct?
Yeah.
Interesting. So 4 goals scored and also only conceding 1. What do you think about that, especially going against a big team?
Well, it was our mistake that we can't see that one against them. Yeah.
All right, I think you guys have sorted out everything that needs to take you guys over the line now.
Yeah, man, most definitely.
All right, bless up here. Good game.